Working on today, 93 Dodge. D250. Got some rust repair. Gonna be doing. Brake issue and some wiring. Shouldn't be too bad, but see. I think I can just cut out what I need and fix the two pieces on the rocker and a little bit on that fender. It's a pretty solid truck. This original coloring actually is pretty cool. It's the Chrysler dark gray metallic like on the top, and then bright silver on the bottom, and then somebody painted the whole thing white. But it'd be pretty cool if it was that old color. They ran that color for a long time. It looks really sharp when it's nice and polished and buffed.
How many times this thing can drop? It's getting old.
So here I got one of those Eastwood stripping wheels. I'm going around cleaning up a whole bunch of different spots that I found, getting around the panels, really cleaning everything up and getting it ready to drill out all the spot welds. Then I start like measuring and figuring out like what size pieces and where I want to cut best and what's going to work best for what I have in front of me. here I spent a lot of time really shaping and working and making sure I had a good fitment with my panel piece that I cut out of the main panel. I wish I had a video of me cutting and trimming the piece, but I guess I lost it or something happened. But either way, I spent a lot of time hammering, dollying, and trying to really retain that factory shape because the aftermarket stamped steel pieces for the rockers, they're close, but they're not 100%. And it really took a lot of time, trying to get it to fit well. This was the first piece I did on the truck, and it came out all right. The front piece and the fender and everything from there actually turned out a lot better. I got them a lot more close and like straight, and it was a lot less, kind of like filler work or anything like that to get everything to like really match across. The customer kind of really wanted the thing to kind of have like a aged look. He didn't really want to go crazy. The plain white paint really didn't help much in trying to make it look like a showpiece. So it was just kind of he wanted that rough patina kind of look and just kind of went with it. So kind of left some imperfections in fixing the panel and stuff like that, just to kind of help with that theme that he was looking for. But I just didn't want to have rough rust or anything like that sticking out there, and I didn't want it to look completely shitty. So here's how the truck looked at the end once I was all done. I also did a whole dash repair. Where somebody took it apart to fix something, but they actually broke out the center section of the dash. So the guy who owns the truck actually had a couple spare trucks that he just needed for motors or whatever, but he had a really good dash in one of them. So I went up and got that dash out, and I have a whole like video of me swapping that out. I pulled the windshield out of this to clean up the top upper lip of the roof. Luckily, all it was that it just separated. From the top, and it was just a little bit of the seal, and he didn't want to go crazy with it because typical first gen Dodge, that the roofs are pretty much either there or completely gone. And then he wanted that Lund visor put on it, so I have a video of the dash and the a little bit of doing the windshield and stuff like that, and then that's it. So I guess you'll have to see it in the next video. Thanks.